Hey guys, so today we will be doing an artisan inspired plant hanger or plant stand, whatever you want to call it. So here I have this interesting shape, driftwood. So I'm lucky enough that I found this nice texture and large enough for my project. And we also have two types of philodendron here. I have philodendron Brazil and heart leaf shape. So you guys can pretty much use any type of hanging plants you wanted. I also have here the Monstera adansonii. So you guys can choose whatever types of plants you want, tendapsis, pothos, anything you want. I also have here peat soil and sphagnum moss. So I also have cable wires or cable cords and scissors, of course. So let's get started. So I'm going to mist the soil and the sphagnum just to keep them intact to each other, because when the soil is dry, then it's going to be gooey and it's not going to attach with the sphagnum. So we need to keep them moist. Now we will start layering our soil and sphagnum. So we need to achieve that sphagnum and soil ball. So we will keep on layering it until we achieve the ideal size that we wanted for our plants. So just keep doing so. And here you can see I layer the soil, and then after that I layer them with sphagnum moss. Just keep misting so they will be attached to each other, and just keep doing so. Once you're done on layering and on keeping them attached and intact to each other, then it's time to wrap them around with nylon cord. Make sure that you support the sphagnum and the soil properly so you can wrap them around as much as you can. Now it's time to attach them onto the driftwood. So this is quite an interesting part and tough as well. So before you do this procedure, I suggest that you guys can draw or at least have the picture on your mind on what type or what design you wanted to impose on your driftwoods, on how you want to put your plants, how you want to design them. So here I want to put them on both sides since my driftwood is quite curved. So this is what I'm gonna do. So just keep them in place, just keep them intact, and wrap them around, tie them up with the nylon cord, as many as possible. So it's totally fine if you use nylon cords as much as what, because this one is transparent, so it's okay. It's not obvious, but of course we want to make sure that we put them properly, or at least looks nice, because we wanted to put them as our display onto the like white walls, white plain walls. This is perfect aesthetic look. Once you pop it in a blank, a boring space like white walls or whatnot, or in the corners, then instantly you will have this aesthetic look and nature touch on your living room or dining, wherever areas of your house you wanted to put them. I decided to add up some moss and air plants as well. So this has been here, this has been at my balcony for quite a while, and I thought of putting them into this project because they look so nice and they add more aesthetic in the looks of our project. So here I put some sphagnum in between of the nodes so that they will thrive more. Yes, they will have that space to grow more. They can absorb the water once we mist them. So yeah, this is the result of our project for today, and it looks nice. I'm very happy with the result, and it took me a while to put those air plants. It's quite challenging for me because this one is so brittle, so I need to be very careful on putting them and tying them up. And yes, so you see, the moss give this project a very dramatic effect, so I really liked it. And yeah, I just put some cords to support the sphagnum as well, so they won't fall off once I water them. So guys, just keep them moist all the time because we don't use so much soil. We just use sphagnum, so sphagnum tends to dry very quickly, so you have to keep an eye on this and keep misting it. So that's about it for today. I hope you guys had an idea on how to style or design your driftwood with plants. And again, you can use whatever types of plants you wanted, like vining plants or hanging plants or whatnot, philodendrons, syndopsis, and pothos. Yes, you can use these plants, or the philodendron bromox also you can. So I hope you like this video. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I want to hear you guys. Please comment down below. I want to hear from you. And again, thanks for supporting my channel. So this has been me, Zamutsari, and I'll see you guys on my next projects and my next vlogs. Have a great day.